How to add your music to TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Now, tap on the capture button to take a photo. Then, go to the top and tap on Add Sound. Here, you can view and explore all the available sounds on TikTok. Now, go to the top corner and tap on the search bar. Here, tap on Discover More Sounds under the search bar. Then, go to the Your Sound section as shown. Then tap on Import Sound from Video. Here, select the video you want from your camera roll. Then, tap on Import Sound from Video at the bottom. Now select the imported sound from here and tap on it again, then set the time limit for the sound as shown. After that, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. You have now successfully added this sound to the photo. Then tap on Next at the bottom to post it. Following these steps, you can easily add your music to TikTok.